Weeds can be annoying to deal with. You knock them down with weed killers, and they come right back. That's why groundskeepers and maintenance managers need a more long-term solution, like TKO Granular Weed Killer.
TKO Granular Weed Killer is absorbed into the soil and taken up by the roots of the weeds, inhibiting photosynthesis and preventing weeds from growing back. It's non-selective, so you can use it on a wide range of weeds and grasses, and the residual soil action will prevent them from reappearing for months. Here's what weeds will look like immediately after application and 2 weeks later. It's easy to apply, no mixing, and no spraying. You can use it on fence rows, industrial sites, and at storage yards. Now that you know how to eliminate weeds for the long term, it's time to take the next step and visit www.stateindustrial.com to find TKO Granular Weed Killer or check out our complete line of cleaning solutions for every part of your facility.